Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Masya Allah, setinggi penghargaan kepada semua subscriber dan likes Prof Muhaya TV. Syukur, satu medan untuk kita sama-sama melakukan transformasi diri. Dan Alhamdulillah hari ini Bonda syukur pada Allah dapat ini, apa dia panggil, wow, unboxing daripada award oleh YouTube, ya. YouTube beri award, Masya Allah. Ini satu pencapaian untuk tim Bonda, terutama Alif, ya, dan Hakimah. Wow, bestnya. Alhamdulillah, semoga semua subscribers dan like dan siapa yang share mendapat pahala bagi setiap ilmu yang kita sampaikan melalui channel Prof Muhaya TV ini. Alhamdulillah, wow, it's so nice to receive a letter, surat daripada Susan 𝐁𝐔𝐒𝐒, CEO YouTube. Masya Allah, pahala besar dia ni kalau dia orang Islam ni, syukur, ya. So some 100,000 subscribers, just how far have you come? If each of your subscribers were a light year, they could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. That's far. And it's why today we are so excited to celebrate your special YouTube journey with you. Not only have you brought a unique voice and style to the world, you have also created valuable connections and built a community along the way. In that spirit, YouTube is proud to present you with the Silver Creator Award, which celebrates your hard work and incredible achievement. Congratulations on this amazing milestone, just one of the many that we hope will follow in the future. After all, there are countless others out there who have yet to discover your passion and dedication. Whether they come to your channel to learn something new or just for a laugh, a whole new audience is waiting for you to inspire them, just as your growing community continues to inspire you. We can't wait to see what you do next, and we'll be with you every step of the way. Yours sincerely, Susan. Wow, Susan, if you're listening to me, well, maybe not, but in this digital world, everything is possible. Thank you so much. It's my passion to inspire myself, people, and make this world a better place. And I remember Stephen Covey's 8 habit: find your voice, inspire others to find their voice. That's what we are doing at Prof Muhaya TV. Thank you again to all my team. Muhaya Momentum. Assalamualaikum.